Hey there, this is Virginia Parsons, and here's another Hangout Mentor quick tip to help you shine and get noticed as the go-to expert. This is Virginia Parsons, your Hangout Mentor, and I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can start a Google Hangout on Air. The first way is to be in G+ in the classic version. So in the classic version, of course, you go over to the G+ symbol on the left, and then in the drop-down menu, you'll find Hangouts. You will not find Hangouts if you're in the new version of G+. So you do have to go to the classic version to find it this way. Simply click on the Hangouts, and you'll see that it goes to a new Hangout experience. You want to go to the Hangouts on Air at the top. Click on that. And from there, you can go ahead and create a Hangout on Air. What this means is you're actually scheduling a Hangout on Air. You click on the Create a Hangout on Air, and as always, give it a name, and then add a description. Just for testing purposes today, decide if you want the Hangout to be taking place now or later. If you're scheduling it for later, then just click Later. That makes it a scheduled Hangout on Air. Choose the date you'd like it to be scheduled, and the time you'd like it to be scheduled, and the duration of it being scheduled. Then decide if this is going to be a public event or an unlisted event. If it's a public event, just delete all the other options there and leave it at public. And then you click Go Ahead and Share, and that will set up the scheduled Hangout on Air. If instead you'd like to be at an unlisted event, you can just get rid of public and instead type your own name in, your own G+ name. And once it comes up and shows you, just click on your particular name and just invite yourself as the audience. This now becomes an unlisted Hangout on Air. Once done, just go ahead and click Share, whether or not you're sharing it with the public or you're sharing it with yourself, which makes it unlisted. That takes you to the event page for the Hangout, and I'm ready to go when it's the right time to start the Hangout. At that point that I'm actually ready to begin the Hangout, I come back to this page if it's been scheduled in the future, and I click Start. This takes me into the actual live Hangout, even though we're not broadcasting yet, but we are live. You don't need to invite any guests at this point unless you want to, but I usually skip this because I'm setting everything up. So once I'm inside the Hangout room, which is what we call the green room, then I can go ahead and take care of the preparations for starting the broadcast with myself or with another guest. So that is the traditional way to get into the green room and start a Hangout on Air. Now, of course, to start it, you always click Start Broadcast, and I do have a whole green room checklist that's available to you to do all the things you know are necessary in the green room to get set up to broadcast. But this is just to show you how to get it set up the traditional way. Now, let me close this out and instead show you how to do it a faster and easier way, especially if you're no longer using Classic G+. And what you want to do in the address bar is to type in something else. You want to type in hangouts.google.com/on-air. hangouts.google.com/on-air. Once you click on that and press enter, it will take you straight into the Hangout green room. And here I am again. And in the same way, it's going to say, what is this event? So I'm just going to put in test again. And then the names or email addresses that you want to invite to the audience. In this case, I'm just going to make it unlisted. So I'm going to put my own name in, just like I did before. Find it when it pops up from G+ and type it in there. This now makes it an unlisted one. If I wanted public, I would just type in public. And I'm ready to go ahead and start the Hangout on Air. I have not scheduled a Hangout on Air event. In this case, I'm going live right now. So you have to think about whether or not you want to go live or you want to schedule an event and promote the event. In this case, I'm going to start the Hangout on air, and I'm back in the room. Notice that in this case, there was no place for me to give a description of the event because it's not an event. So you have to determine whether or not you want to Hangout on air to come up quickly and go live. I'm in the green room, but when I'm ready to start the broadcast, all I have to do is click Start the Broadcast. In either case, refer to the green room checklist so that you make sure you've got everything ready before you hit Start Broadcast. So these are the two ways that you can start a Hangout on air. Number one, the classic way through G+, and number two, just by typing in the address bar hangouts.google.com/on air. I hope you found this information helpful. Take care now and have a great day.